Alright, so here we got a Tuttio soleil. This is the Econic Cycles upgrade. I did not use 3 gear. Notice that there's not really too much on this stuff online. I was trying to find it myself. If you take a look here, this is how it goes. I'm not using the gear, so that's good. Dongle. Bang, bang. Boom. I notice nobody really shows what wires is which, like what colors go to what colors, because it's kind of confusing. You would think it would all go together. It don't. Boom. Put that back in. Put that thing up. Bang. Give it a little ride, but tighten that too much. There's a knob underneath. Five-star. Econic Cycles was great. Fast delivery, all that.